Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna review a website that is called svomoney.icu.xyz, or depending on whatever country you are, whatever region you are. A friend of mine asked me to make a review about this site, if it's a scam or not. This site, it's paying for watching advertising. You can make money by watching advertising, but let's see if it's legit or not. This is the today video about. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's dive in. Alright guys, so a friend of mine asked me to make a review for a website that it pays for watching advertising, and the site is called Cfomoney.xyz. And let's go and register, and I will tell you more on the sign up process. So here you can register on this site based on a registration link, on a referral link. This is the only way that you can do it. So my friend sent me the link, and now I am in the registration process. So you go here on the registration and go and register. Take a password here, repeat password and number on the picture, and register. You are successfully registered and can start working. Okay, and here it's the account balance. The structure of this website is that you are watching ads and you are paid. So for every ad you're watching, but the system is start watching paid ads. Okay, so what you have to do is only write this 3-digit here on this case and click on continue, and now you'll earn 10 cents on every 10 cents on every time you do this. So write the number in the case, 828, enter, 915, enter, 981, enter, 263, enter, 155, enter. So I earn 726, enter, 147, enter, 272, enter, 671, enter. So I earn $1. You make 10 times, you put this number 10 times here, you earn $1. So, and you can do this unlimited times. And here every time you are writing this down, the ad it's changing, every time it's changing, and here are other ads. So this is what you have to do with this site, Cfomoney.xyz. I'll find somebody else, because the minimum, if you want to withdraw money, the minimum, let's go here you choose a payment method and then you request withdrawal, but the minimum withdrawal is $150 earn. You need to have in your account the minimum $150, and then you are eligible to withdraw your money by selecting one of these payment method: credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank account, or Western Union. So I will find somebody to to click here for me and to make $150, and then I will be back to you and I will make the withdrawal, and I will tell you about this site, if it's a scam or not. If you want to try it, I'll put the link below this video in the description area, and tomorrow I'll be back to you to tell you if this site is a scam or not. So I'll see you tomorrow. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.